Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to boil eggs in Instant Pot first. Then we are going to cook Indian egg korma in Instant Pot. First we will boil the eggs in Instant Pot. For boiling the eggs, use the steaming rack which comes with the Instant Pot and fill water little below the rack. Then we stack the eggs. We are going to hard boil the eggs. So we are going to hard boil 6 eggs. So you stack the eggs in the Instant Pot, put the lid with the whistle, make sure you have the whistle, then set the Instant Pot to steam and we have to cook it for 7 minutes. The egg is getting boiled in the Instant Pot. Instant Pot is in steam mode. In the meantime, we are going to get the vegetables ready for egg korma. We are going to chop one onion, large sized onion, 2 tomato. We are going to grate little bit of ginger and garlic. After 7 minutes, immediately we are going to release the pressure. We are not going to let it sit there until the pressure is gone. Then it will become very hard. So when 7 minutes is over, keep a bowl of water, ice cold water ready to quench the eggs. So it will take 7 more minutes. So in the meantime, we will get everything else ready. 7 minutes is over and we release the pressure manually. Now completely pressure is gone. We have the bowl of ice water ready. Take out the eggs and drop it in the ice cold water. Dropping the hot eggs in the ice cold water also helps removing the shell easily. It takes less effort to remove the shell. It will come out clean, and as you see, it's very clean. And we steamed it for 7 minutes, so it's hard boiled. If you see it inside, it's hard boiled. It is easy to cook, boil eggs in Instant Pot. Here you go. We are going to make egg korma now. For making egg korma, we have 1 cup of chopped onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped, 1 green chili, and here we have dry ingredients. We have half teaspoons of fennel seed, mustard seed, and cumin seed, each half teaspoon, and we have small pieces of cinnamon sticks. We have 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic here. We have 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. And with that, we are going to add quarter cup of coconut milk to make it creamy. So we will add oil, change the mode to saute in Instant Pot, and add 1 tablespoon of oil for frying onion and other stuff. Once the oil is hot, we will add the mustard seed, cumin seed, fennel seed mixture. Let it get fried for 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, we will add the green chili. Now we add the green chili, let it fry, let it get fried for 10 seconds. Then we add the chopped onion. We have 1 cup of chopped onion, yellow onion. You can use red onion too. Once onion is fried, we will add ginger and garlic grated. We can sprinkle some salt while sauteing onion. That will make the process faster. Just a little bit. That's it. Let it get fried. Make sure the Instant Pot is in saute mode all the time. Now the onion is fried. We will add the grated ginger, garlic and fry it for a few more minutes. The same recipe you can cook it in other pot also, other vessels also. We are not going to pressure cook. You can use regular pot to cook the same. The advantage of Instant Pot is for boiling the egg. It comes out perfectly, and removing the shell is easy when you steam it in Instant Pot. Now the ginger garlic paste is fried along with onion. We will add tomato and we will fry it for another 2 minutes. Tomato is cooked well. Now we add a little bit of chopped cilantro. Then we will start adding dry ingredients. Turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala. We will add the salt later. We are going to add half a teaspoon of salt once this is fried. The dry ingredients are fried. Now we are going to add 2 cups of water. If required, we can add more later. Then it will be, if you add more, it will be watery. After adding water, make sure you add the half teaspoon of salt. If required, after tasting, you can add more. Next, we are going to add coconut milk, 1/4 cup. But before that, this mixture needs to be boiled. Once it starts boiling, then we add the coconut milk. Immediately we add the eggs. So it takes 3-4 minutes to boil this one. Now it is boiled. We tasted and it needs little more salt. Another 1/4 teaspoon of salt is added. Now we can add the coconut milk. This gives the creamy texture. If you don't have coconut milk, you can add grated coconut little bit or you can skip that. Now we can add the eggs. Make a slit in the middle before you drop it in this. You can cut it in half, but then the yellow yolk would be separate. So it's better to put a small slit halfway through and drop it. That way the egg will have masala. How many minutes we need to cook this?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. We are going to cook this in 5 minutes. We are going to leave it in saute mode. Korma is ready. We can stop cooking. The onion, tomato is cooked very well along with the egg. It smells great here. Egg kurma cooked in instant pot. Like I said, you can cook the same in regular vessel also, regular pot also. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.